morning children, welcome back to the English class. Now let us continue the third unit. Our third unit first lesson is what can a dollar and 11 cents do? What can a dollar and 11 cents do? So here the characters in this lesson is the main character Tess, an 8-year-old girl. An 8-year-old girl. Andrew, her brother. And her parents. And one more, a neurosurgeon, Dr. Carlton Armstrong. A neurosurgeon. And as a chemist. Chemist means one who is in the medical shop. And if we suffer from anything, like say fever or any other thing, where do we go? We go to medical shop to get medicine. Or else we will go to hospital, meet a doctor, we will consult a doctor. So here the girl also wants to meet a chemist. Chemist means one who prepares and sells medicine. What happened? Why did she go? That was the picture in your textbook. So what was the reason behind it? Let us see. She is an 8-year-old girl. She is an 8-year-old girl. She had a brother Andrew, her little brother, younger brother. And one day he was suffering a lot and her parents. So they have taken him to hospital, but he had some neuro problem in the brain and he needed a costly surgery. They have expended all the amount what they had and they have taken loans also from outside and they spent all the money on his medicine. Now they ran out of money at that time. They have all their money was spent out on him, on his medicine. Now there was no money left for them to spend also. So they shifted from their home to the small house because they were unable to pay the rent of the such house. So that they moved to a small house. Even though what he needed a very big surgery, a costly surgery. For that they could not. They were trying and trying outside. Finally they could not do anything and they left their attempts because that was a really very costly surgery and they could not afford of such an amount. They could not afford. So they cannot bear also such an expenses. And one day Tess was listening to her mother's words. Mother was crying and saying to father, what is this going on? What do we do now? We cannot do anything for our son. And father said that we can do nothing now. That is not in our hands because we can't buy such an expensive things and we can't afford for the operation and surgery for that. So only a miracle can save our child, he said. Only a miracle can save our child. See, from the back of the door, Tess heard these words. Tess heard the words of her parents and she thought that the word miracle, what is meant by miracle? She doesn't know the meaning of miracle. Actually, what is meaning of miracle? Wonder, adbhutam. So actually they were unable to pay the expenses of the hospital bills and they were unable to pay the surgery charges. So they could not do anything and they tried and finally they left because they could do nothing. And so they just they are just depending on God and leaving themselves that they were telling only a miracle can do. Miracle means adbhutam. So something miracle should come to their life. That's then only it saves the life of their child. So that they discussed. And misunderstanding the word miracle as a medicine. Who is that? Tess, 8-year-old girl. She thought that miracle means a medicine that can only save her brother. So she went inside her room. She searched on the table one jar in that is just like a kiddie bank. You will save money, coins if your father or mother will give, you will save in them, So that's such kind of a jar. she counted all the money. How much the money it is, you know? $1.11. $1.11. For them, it is 1 rupee and 11 paise only. And only for us, if it is converted into Indian amount, $1 is equal to nearly 75 rupees. $1 is equal to 75 rupees. 1 cent is equal to 65 pice. Around 65 pice. So $1.11 means it is around 80 rupees above, 82 rupees or 83 rupees also. Because that's not exact amount of within the points. So that an amount of around 83 rupees she had at that time. And she wanted to buy the miracle with that amount. So she took the jar and went to the chemist, nearby medical shop. Chemist is the person who prepares and sells medicine. So the person who is in the medical shop. She went there. Oh yes ma, what do you want? He asked her. She said that I want miracle. What do you want? He asked. She said I want miracle. No ma, miracles won't be sold here because we don't sell miracles here. Miracles are not available here, he said. No, please you do something. My brother is very serious. He is really ill. Ill means sick. My brother is really sick. So I need the miracle emergency. So please, if you want, you take this money. If you want some more money, I'll try to give. But you please give me the miracle, she said. She requested very badly to the chemist. At the same shop, there was a well-dressed man. So he was listening the whole conversation going on with the child. That means the Tess and the chemist. He was observing everything. And finally he went down and asked the little girl, Tess, what kind of miracle does your brother need? She said the whole story. Then she said the whole story. That her brother has a neurological problem and he needs a surgery that is very costly. So that only miracle can do, and so she came here to buy such a miracle. So after listening the story, the man, how much money do you have? So $1.11, she said. Okay, this is enough, sufficient amount to buy a miracle, he said. And she took up her hand and they both of them went to see Andrew. Their host and went to see Andrew. He is none other than Dr. Carlton Armstrong. Dr. Carlton Armstrong, a neurosurgeon. He himself is a neurosurgeon. And what is meant by neurosurgeon? A doctor who treats and does operations on neurosystem, the nervous system, especially on brain. Or nervous system. Doctor who treats and does surgery on the nervous system. He is a neurosurgeon. So he went and take Andrew to his hospital the next day, and he did the operation, the whole operation and everything without taking any charges. How much money did he get? Did the test pay to him? $1.11. So all of them, really it's like a miracle. Everything went on. So they joined in the hospital. He did the operation. He performed the operation. So it was success, and after a few days, Andrew came back home healthy. Previously, how he was suffering with the neurological problem and he was about to die. Parents were worried. Now the parents were also happy. He came back home. He was healthy at that time. And father and mother was talking again. So what happened? What is going on? Really, what could save their child? Mother said that only miracle could save my child. Only miracle could save my child. And I don't know how much it cost. She was telling, because We cannot repay we can repay our loan. Loan in the sense, money if we take from anyone, we can repay that. But the helping nature, we cannot repay to anyone. So that is, her meaning is that we cannot, how much does it cost? We don't know, she said. But Tess, who heard this conversation again, was telling, I know that, I was thinking of herself, I know the cost of the miracle. I know the cost of the miracle because it cost $1.11. She was still in such a mood that she could buy miracle with that amount. She could still in such a mood. She was thinking of the same, that she really bought the miracle with that amount. Actually, see how lucky they are. Really, they could save their child because of her trial. If she also lived, maybe they could not have done anything. But as a small girl, she did not leave her trial. She also tried her level best. So her trial became successful. It was a miracle. Of course, it was a miracle. But to happen miracles, what should we do? We should try. We should keep on trying. Then only miracles will happen in our life. If we don't try, miracle will not come to us. We should find our miracles. We should try for the first. Try for that first. Whatever we do, we should not leave in the early stage. We should not leave it in the first. We should say that we should try until we get succeed. So if we try and try, so we will get a success. So miracle also can be given to us if we try. So the little girl proved here that she could even buy the miracle with $1.11. Within $1.11. Actually, that money doesn't even sufficient to the one sheet of tablets also for such an illness. But what could she do? She could make her brother do operation also. Her brother's operation was also performed with that money. So what can $1.11 do here in this lesson? So $1.11 would save her brother, would save her family from the grief. So everyone, what should we know from this lesson? So it is just because of her trial. She could try and try. She did not leave. Let it is the problem of my father and mother. She did not think so. But she thought that she wanted to do something. When she heard that her mother said, a miracle only can save my child, and she wanted to buy the miracle with the whatever money she had. She did not even think that I had very less money, whether if I can buy or not also. She just went and she tried to buy that miracle. Even though till the end of the lesson, she doesn't know the meaning of the miracle. She was thinking herself that miracle is a medicine that she could only buy. But we came to know that miracle is not a medicine, and miracle means adbhutam. So to see that miracles in our life, what should we do? We should keep trying and trying. We should keep trying and trying until we succeed, until we get that miracle in our life. So that's the end of the lesson, children. Thank you.